Okay, so now we have our areas that we can start to add content to. Let's start by adding our review node to the center region here. I'm going to click the cogwheel and click Add Content, and I'm going to click Node here. Now, there's a lot of options even within this node area, but you can click on these different ones to see even more. Now, these are all bits and pieces that we can plug into a panel pane, and a pane is really just a block within the panel region. So this is something that makes panels very powerful. At a glance, you get all of these items that you can plug into your panels page. In a practical sense, you may never use most of them, but just having them accessible makes this a very flexible tool, and you can probably find some novel ways to use the various pieces of content. So I'm going to click on Node again, and you can see that we have a variety of fields to choose from individually, and we'll get to using those in a moment, but what we want now is the node content item. So I'm going to click on that. We're going to leave this at node being viewed. Now this might sound a little strange, like why is it saying node being viewed? What other node could we possibly use here? But later on, when we start exploring relationships in the views module, you'll be able to use what you learned there in order to establish relationships also in the panels module, which allows you to basically reference one node from another node. So we can, for example, reference the product node and use that here instead of the node being viewed. For now, we only have this one option. If you click it, you can see. So for now, we're going to leave all of these at their defaults, except this build mode. For build mode, we're going to select full content. Build mode is just another word for view mode. Okay, I'm going to click finish here, and now we have some content in our center panel pane.